Hello and welcome. I'm Gautaman, astrologer based out of India, practicing astrology for over 10 years now. Today, I'll share my experience on Venus Rahu together in a horoscope. Basically, planetary conjunctions in a birth chart plays a very important role. Rahu, which is also called as North Node in many parts of the world, is an important concept to be considered in a birth chart. So, what will Rahu Venus combination make a person do? Rahu is actually not a physical planetary body, it is an eclipse energy created by Sun and the Moon. Such Rahu when promotes selfish desires and it wants to accomplish them by any means. Mentioning it again because it tries to achieve it by any means, okay? And it is a kind of a selfishness and not a passion. People mistake the selfishness from a passion. So, but Rahu, when placed alone in a zodiac sign, won't create such kind of issues. But when Rahu joins other planets, has a different way of interpretation. That's why this Rahu, when it joins Venus, it is all about selfish desires, which leads to enjoyment, which needs enjoyment, life partner, with the life partner, etc., which needs to be seen pretty cautious. The reason why I'm mentioning like this is because Rahu is a materialistic planet that make anything big, that wants anything big. And Venus, when it joins Rahu, makes a person to buy things beyond the money they have, and they get involved into a kind of a debt situation. They try to get more debts. They go for credit cards. They take a lot of loans. And such kind of loans and credit cards and everything, what they do is it makes them to wait for their salary. When is the salary going to come so that I can pay back my debts? So this is the kind of situation they go and stand up at some point of time. So with Rahu and Venus together, the individual selfish motives go beyond their level of practical achievements. That's the important point here. And if you ask me, what is the issue of having big and exceeding targets? It will end up creating a lot of dissatisfaction to those individuals. So people with Venus and Rahu together will obviously have money to do their lives, to lead their lives. So what I mean is, they will obviously be having money. They will be having, a good position. They will be in a good position. They will be getting a good enough money to lead their lives. But the selfish motives will will stimulate them to even go for, such a high standard living, which is beyond their level. Okay, which is a selfish motive that is causing the issue. One who has Venus and Rahu together, uh, if you look at the kind of symptoms, is such people, Venus Rahu together in a horoscope, would do marriages against their own society. When I say it is against to their own society, it can be a love marriage, it can be an intercaste marriage, or a marriage out of his or own particular religion. Uh, the impact of such doing uh, will be due to their level of selfishness. That's one of the indications which I have seen in many of the Venus Rahu combined horoscopes. There will also be problems uh, within their family on inherited properties, particularly with the elder members of the family. It will create a lot of frustrations. That's another level of selfishness which this kind of horoscopes bring in picture. Uh, because these horoscopes expect more, and they will also have conflicts with their business partners as well as with their life partners, which is again due to selfish targets in life. So what if they are not doing business, but they are working in a, in an employment, right? There they will be having, conflicts with their peers, okay, their equivalent, members in their offices, and with their life partner, or it obviously because of the selfish targets they have in their lives. And but the interesting thing is, uh, the rest of the world, which is surrounded around them, right? They will be perceiving that their personal life or their business partnership is really going excellent. That's the way how the entire world will be having a perception about them. Their life partner will also, tend to have a lot of selfish motives, because Venus represents, the partner. Venus represents wife, or a husband, the opposite partner. They always keep discussing their selfish motives. I mean, to make how we can make more money, uh, that can uh, that can obviously never materialize, and put them in a sudden troubles that erode their assets. It is an impact created by such selfishness. So when they have, they discuss on, how to make more money kind of thing, they look for huge returns and enter into avenues such as stock market at the wrong timings. And they get excited by the lottery tickets, horse race, gambling, and all these kind of speculations, while they don't have any luck. That leads to wealth destruction, career failure, etc. And after reaching such stage, most of them reach out to the astrologer. That's the stage when they realize that, because I have seen such kind of horoscopes coming to me at that point of time. Moreover, Venus conjunct Rahu, right, it also creates some kind of health issues, which is hormonal issues. It creates hormone related issues. Within an age of 35, etc., they start getting body pain issues. Lot of Venus Rahu combined horoscopes that I have seen, I'm saying almost 95% of the horoscopes wear eye contact lenses. Okay, they wear glasses, right? They wear glasses at very early stages of their lives, contact lenses and all these things. Venus Rahu won't go for wearing glasses. They want to, go for contact lenses. That's they always, look at a very advanced method of using certain things. But what should, Venus, Rahu together in a horoscope do? Uh, what is the solution, if you ask me? Right, a very simple solution is to avoid selfish thoughts. You need a you need a friend who can give you good advices in your life. Okay, and if you feel that you face similar situations, right, or have Rahu Venus together in your horoscope, and feel that you need some remedies, probably if you feel that you want to reach out to me. The Just click on the follow button in my Facebook and Twitter, where I connect with people around the world. A link is available in the description section of this video. And then if you like to reach me personally for, your horoscope readings, do message me in the Facebook or the Twitter messenger. That helps us to get in touch, and from there we can take it forward. Thank you, and stay in touch.